So, yeah, Evan was being selfish since we're riding accelerator. Yellow train's testing, green time. Shut up.
Stand up, that's fine. No jumping or running. Let's go.
Boys, we can stand up. Woo! Woo! Now the air is like we're in the floor now. It's amazing. Hey man, the only reason I decided to come out here with you guys, air conditioning.
It's in the station.
Yeah, we'll see if there's another test.
The ball is yours. DJ Khaled!
So we have had the yellow train and orange train testing. It looks like orange is in the station now, and yellow looks to have gone to the transfer track. So maybe no more testing for yellow.
I don't care.
Now leave it in there. You gotta at me though. No, there goes the balls.
No. Just kidding.
I love you, man.
You should have let us go for a few more minutes. The 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So nothing too new at all on this side of things right now, but we're gonna go check out near the drop. So this is right under the Cobra wall. It's nice. So all the lights still lining the walkway. Yeah, nothing too new over here, but we're gonna check out the entrance under the airtime hill here, see if they've added any more to the sign that they were starting. So these posts right here will be holding up the entrance sign. They have been put in, which is great news. This is probably going to be, this big piece of wood is going to hold up the sign in the middle. So more has been added to this like metal barrier. I'm not entirely sure what that's for, but it looks interesting. So they've totally got a transition between the two fences now, which is looking great with this nice little light pole right here. So there are some electricians in the station right now checking out the train, it looks like, but no more new paint, I don't think. Actually, that orange might be new, but yeah, looking good. So here's more of the exit. There is, oh, actually, it looks like there is a train behind the station too, so maybe that's the yellow train right there. Couldn't see that before, but yeah, here's the exit if it would focus. But there is the gift shop, which is looking great. So the gift shop is progressing a heck of a lot now that most of everything else is done. It's looking great, especially with these like borders of concrete or stucco or whatever they are. I'm not the biggest building construction guy, but it's looking awesome. Would you look at that? What a hold.